I'm here today with the Ororo heated scarf, so let's unbox this and see what we get. We actually had a few packages that we got separately. So this is the main box with the scarf, and then the battery and the charger came separately. So that was a bit weird that it didn't have just one box, but perhaps like this battery is used for multiple Ororo products and they just ship it like that. So let's see what we get here. Ororo, little label, and a user guide. Let's see if we can skip over that. And then the heated scarf right here. Okay, so let's open that up. Ooh. Oh, so that's nice and soft. Really soft. So it's just a small scarf. It has this nice Ororo label on there, and this is actually a button, it seems. And then it's really nice and soft. I hope you can see that just a little bit. And then this is embroidered in, so that's nice as well. The logo there. Okay. Oh, and it seems we have a little zipper here. And I think that would fit the battery. Yeah, so here's like the connecting port right in there, so that's nice, easy and tucked away. And then this should be the battery, and it also has like a little shape, so it's nice and tucked away in there. And I think it isn't like a complete block on your like your neck. You can charge this via micro USB, so that's a bit of a bummer. No USB-C. This is a micro one, but I guess already turned on there. A little red flash. But I guess you get the micro USB here. Yeah. So in the package. So I don't really like that they have a micro USB, but yeah, it's a little bit old school. So let's tuck this away in that pocket there. Okay, yeah, so that fits nice and snug. You can close that up, and then you have your scarf here with the button on there, and you can put this part in between, and then now it's nice and snug on my neck. So let's see, where did I have the button? Oh, up here is the button, so let's push that. Okay, so I have to hold it, and then it turns red. And it's like glowing now. I can't really feel yet. So it's heating up just a little bit. Let's see what the book says about that. I've got a few stickers. Nice. Heated scarf. Battery pocket power button. Heating element. Yeah, we figured that out. Operating instructions. Locate the battery zipper and set the battery power on. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. And the scarf begins to preheat for 5 minutes. A flashing red. Yeah, we had a flashing red light. Once fully preheated, the scarf will automatically adjust to medium heat. Can be adjusted by a short press of the button. Preheat, blinking red. High will be solid red, then medium, solid white, and low, solid blue. So you can change the heat in 3 settings. Oh, it's really heating up now. Nothing too bad, but it's nice and warm. I think that would be great here in the Netherlands in the winter. So we have 4 seasons here as well. Let's see what the... Okay, so it's still blinking, still heating up. So it should take about 5 minutes in total to completely heat that up. And here in the Netherlands we also get, and this was in a completely separate bag as well in the box, we also get these adapters, these for the UK and these for the EU. here in the Netherlands, so you can just easily click that on and then have your adapter here work in the country that you're in. So that's nice as well. Challenge the climate. That's what it says there. Challenge the climate. Oh, yeah, it's really heating up now. And it's still blinking red. So I think it's really nice and warm. It's not overly warm. It's pretty soft here. I can tell the material is great for a scarf, and it's just like a little scarf that you put around your neck just once. So it's nice as well. You don't have a lot of extra scarf hanging everywhere. The heat is coming from these pads right here, so that's exactly what is around your neck. There's nothing in here, so that's soft. And then the battery is over here. It's just dangling a little there, so nothing too bad. Really cool. It's nice and warm, not too warm, and I'm going to use this over the winter here. So I really recommend, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.